Virtue by George Herbert. Read for LibriVox.org. Sweet day, so cool, so calm, so bright, the bridal of the earth and sky. The dew shall weep thy fall to-night, for thou must die. Sweet rose, whose hue, angry and brave, bids the rash gazer wipe his eye, thy root is ever in its grave, and thou must die. Sweet spring, full of sweet days and roses, a box where sweets compacted lie, my music shows ye have your closes, and all must die. Only a sweet and virtuous soul, like seasoned timber, never gives, but though the whole world turn to coal, then chiefly lives. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.